guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today is Stubby Squid here, and it randomly just started raining really badly. Really badly. Let me go check it out. It might be very, very, very loud, by the way. Let's go check it out. It's raining, it's pouring. Okay.
What does that mean?
Molly! Okay guys, here we are. It's really loud out here. Okay then, let me just turn this around and show you guys. It's raining so much. The hammock! Oh no. Wait, my towel. Guys, hang right here. I'm gonna go save my towel. Wait there. I got it. Oh, get out of the way. Okay guys, I got it, and my dog's just crazy, like, scared right now. Wait, let me just... Sorry. Let me go and do something. Mom, it just randomly started raining. Molly, you're not allowed in. I'm not. Wait. I'll shut this door so it's not cold. Okay guys, well I just turned this light on. Oh, pat, pat, pat you little cute boo-boo. Okay guys, so we're in a room. I'm sitting on Molly's couch right now. Oh, here's the room. Like a little guest bedroom, and there's Molly's horrible couch right there. You might not be able to see it, but Molly! I need to get my dog so he can come and lay down. Molly, get in here. Up. Up. Molly! Okay, there we go. Molly, stop. Oh my god, that's so weird. My dog's so weird. Lay down. Okay guys, sorry about this. That was just my hand. Okay. Oh, hello little boy. Hopefully you guys can see this. I'm with my dog. Oh my little dog, I'm so sorry about that. Whoa! Molly, don't lick me. Ah! You also licked me. Okay guys, I'm going to go inside right now because this is really loud out here. I'll see you guys in there. Oh. Guys, just wait, I can't open the door. God damn it. Molly. No boy. It's crazy out there, It is crazy out there, guys. Really crazy. Okay, we're back in my room. And this is probably going to be the end of the videos right now. Today I've accidentally made 4 videos. I don't know why. 4 videos. So I've done like 3 vlogs today, including this one. Then don't worry, that's just a blanket. And then, oh my god, there's a good blanket. And then I done a video. Not a video. Of course I done a video. I done Super Smash Bros. one, which yeah. Freezing. Guys, I'm so sorry. It's just that I'm sick. So about all my coughs and stuff, so I hope you guys liked this video. Please subscribe. Please. Please. Please subscribe. Leave a comment. Like this video. Please. And you must subscribe. I only have one. My friend has 4. I need 50,000, please. Okay, guys, that's probably going to be the end of my video. Bye. Bye.